This rudder has the 5-inch rake. The rudder blade is back 5 inches at the bottom from where it is at the top. And what we're going to show you how to do today is change that rake angle from 5 inches to 1 inch. This rudder has already been modified. We put one hole in the right spot there, we're okay. This is actually pretty easy to do. We keep this in its slot and we lower it to where we have 1 inch rake here, and then we drill our hole. Okay? That's the 1 inch rake. So today we're going to show you how to change the offset of the rudder blade from 5 inches to 1 inch. It's really a very simple process. First of all, line the rudder up on the board with the top, even with the top of the board. This is a 4-foot board. And make sure the front edge of the board and the rudder are lined up. Then using C-clamps, you want to hold the rudder down to the working board. Okay, let's double check. Looks good. Looks good. So we have the rudder head clamped to the 2-foot by 4-foot working board we're on, and you can see how the rudder lays out here. If you measure here, it's 1 3/4, and if you measure here, it's 6 3/4. So there's a 5-inch difference between the top and the bottom. The trick is to take the blade out, and right here, where this notch hits the rudder head, you want to pull that down until you get to 2.5 inches out here on the tip. There, we're 2.5 inches. If we go up here, we should be about 1.5 inches. We're about 1.5 inches. That gives us a 1 inch rake from where we were. This notch, we're making sure that that's in. I just moved it, so no big deal. I can go back and reset it to 2.5 inches. Double check to make sure that this is 1.5. Close enough. And that goes. So now all we have to do is mark the hole so we can drill it and put it back together. Okay. Now my mark should be there where the drill point was. You can see the drill point mark right here. We go ahead and drill that through with a 5/16 inch drill and then put it back together.